Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to save your project on Clipchamp. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to head to your Clipchamp website. So let's go to our Clipchamp. So this is our Clipchamp website. So the next step is to sign into your account. So let's head on and sign in. So once you have signed in with your Google account, this is the interface that you are getting. So to save your project, first let's create a project. So here let's create a video. All right, you can drag and drop our media. So I'm just going to open up my videos and let's drag and drop over here. All right, so this is our video. Now let's drag it to our timeline and let's make some changes. For example, let's reduce the volume over here. All right, I'm just going to shorten this duration. Okay, so this is our changes that we have made. All right, so save this project. All you have to do is click on this back button. Let's click on continue without sync, and here this is our saved project. So now let's click on this once again, and that's it. Our project will be saved automatically on this website when you click back or exit this Clipchamp. So let's open this project once again and make some other edit. So yeah, that's it. Let's create some filters. All right. Okay, let's change the name and enter. And as you can see, our project is automatically saved like this. So that is how you'll be able to save your project in Clipchamp. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.